Today's journey was from Holbrook to Williams, Arizona, which was 188 miles based on my peculiar route. I allowed 3 distractions to determine that route. The first was a brief photo stop in Winslow, Arizona, where, in order to attract more business into town, they have combined the attraction of Route 66 with the Eagles lyrics from Take It Easy, which includes the line, "While I was standing on a corner in Winslow, Arizona." It seems to have been successful as the area was quite crowded. This is marked with the first blue marker on the map. My main stop of the day was at Meteor Crater, which is just south of I-40. This is a mile-wide, 550-foot deep crater that was created in 10 seconds by a meteor strike about 50,000 years ago. There are many great displays in the museum, and the crater itself is interesting to view. This location is indicated by the second blue marker on the map. The third distraction was the San Francisco Peaks Scenic Road, which goes from Flagstaff up towards the Grand Canyon. As I'd never driven this road before, I decided to make the detour, but was very disappointed with the results. Even though I could see that there would be views of the San Francisco peaks traveling in the opposite direction, they were fairly distant, and as you approached the foothills, the views were obstructed by forest.